Oops. Okay. Whoa, what's up? It's time for the third part of the Subzero Devlog series. I somehow got the chance to stream once again, and this time I have like something planned for today. Like I'm actually gonna do something that I could say is interesting, because I'm gonna be adding the new classes. Like in the video that I did for night, those are basically like 4 new classes, you know? And I'm gonna add the designs for the new classes for like Guardian or actually I don't want to do a red class. I want to do something else, something that either Rainbird, because I think it's really cool, Mage, Tricksters, or Pirate, one of these. Hold on, how do I, boom. Hello, Christy. Okay, can you see this? No, okay. Boom. How do I get the link to this? Hello, hello everyone, hello. The 4 people watching, hello. Hello Dream Soup. You are indeed my biggest fan. If I look here at top fans, you're number 2 actually. You lied to me. Bro, how do I get the link to this? I wanna like post it in the Subzero announcements. Okay, I have to. You can't see this, right? No, you can't. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna do this really quick. As quick as I can. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna do this really I can hear myself. Okay. Got it. Okay, the announcement is what happened to the thumbnail. I want to change that. Hold on. How do I change it? Can I do this like mid-stream? See, what did I tell you? I'm gonna set it to, okay, so, you know what? I wanna do Guardian, but I wanna do other classes as well. I wanna do every single class, they all look so cool, bro. Okay, the thumbnail is gonna be, drumroll, this, I'm gonna reuse this. I have no better thing to do. Boom. Totally not reuse thumbnail. Let's go. Okay. Hold on. I gotta. Okay, I can close this and let's get started. How do I let you see everything? Which part of the game you're gonna work on? I wanna add, you know how I did the night video and showed the 5 night classes. I wanna add the classes for like something else. Okay, how can I? Can see everything now. Boom. Okay. So, hold on. I'm gonna put some of them on screen. I could. So how do I do this? Add source, image. Now let me make this invisible so I don't leak everything. Subzero art. So. Wait, do I have all the Guardian classes? I do, okay. So this is one of them. This is Guardian. I could do this. Bam. Or, how do I add another image? Pirate, Rainbird, Mage, one of these, I'm so okay. Mage, because it's the first class. Boom. They're different sizes, but it doesn't matter. I don't know which one of these I should do. They're on save changes. Okay. Okay, y'all are saying mage. Display capture. Okay. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna leak the art folder. Oh no, I'm not. Okay. We can still see. Oh, what? Did you already put Iceberg in the game preparation screen? No, I did not, cause Heroic has to finish the animations. I mean, I did actually. Hold on. I think you can see Iceberg in the screen. You just gotta press a button. I'm not sure which though. Hold on. Iceberg. Heroic made a thing where you had to press like a button for the game to give you the iceberg. I don't know which button it is. I think it was like F11, maybe, or F2. Yo, I don't know. I'm gonna try both of them. But are these still? They are. Let me make them. That's not. Thank you. So this is red. This is Guardian. Y'all are saying I should do Mage. I like both of them like equally. It looks so good. Bro, props to Davisito. This guy is insane at drawing. I really like his stuff. Yeah, where's our promised iceberg animation, Heroic? I like about the cell of your mind actually fits within the game's original style. It's not the cell, it's not my art style, you know? It's we have an artist that draws them. Davisito. We have a second artist now that also does icons. Oh, I'm gonna show you one of his icons, even though I already did show one of them in the announcements channel. I have another. Yeah, props to both of the artists, man. I wish I could draw as good as them. But I'm thankful that they decided to work on Subzero. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on screen. It might be a bit too many images. Where is it? I have to scroll the way down. Bro, the art folder of Subzero is like getting bigger and bigger. Like, look at this. God. This is gonna be for the mage's rage ability. Look at this. Look how happy Red is. And like Chuck smirking and Matilda like doing something. Oh, it's insane. Let me switch back. I don't even know where to put this one. Actually, I'm gonna take Guardian off of. Yes, remove it. Leave it like this. Holy shit, talking about music. You said, I honestly wish I could create music for mods. I think we might have just gotten someone new on our team that does music. Let me reply to them and then add the stuff that I want to add. Okay, done. Thing is, I have to like go in a few hours, so I want to get this done relatively quick. So y'all said to add mage. That's fine. So basically here it's gonna be 1, 2. Hold on, I gotta put like all. I want to put all of them on the screen actually, because I have all of the levels. I should have all of the levels if I downloaded them. Didn't, there's no problem. I did, okay. So the one that's currently on screen is level 5. This should be 4. Yo, okay. This is level 4. Looking just as litty as level 5. And let's get level... I'm not sure like if the elite, like the base elite class from the vanilla game is before or after this. This is level... I think it's before the elite. So it's like the base class, then this, then the elite here, then level 4 and level 5. I think that's how Devi meant it to be. Looks like the icons have a 3 to 4 ratio instead of the usual 1 to 1. I don't know what that means. A full team. Will each class have their own recipe for the upgrades, or are they all the same? Each class will have its own recipes, and each upgrade is gonna have its own recipes. Actually, no. Each class will require the blueprints and 2 random ingredients. Well, not random, based on like what the class looks like, you know? And with each level, both the blueprints, like the puzzle pieces required, and the ingredients are gonna go up. That's how it's gonna be done. I can show you. Actually, you saw it probably in the... Like, this costs 10 and 10. Wait, no, this changes. This uses like ore, and I think the last upgrade uses... let me see if I can find it. Resources. Okay, so the first upgrade uses this, but the last one uses this. So like it goes up. The materials also change. So yeah, every single class upgrade is gonna have its own recipe probably. Everyone is supporting the live stream. Hello, Yellow Games, bro. I've been waiting for you. You're my favorite like viewer. What do you mean I can't see Hyper? What? Oh shit. Oops. Okay. So the first level uses these ores, and I just closed the game. Fucking hell. Resources. The first upgrade uses these, and the last one uses these. It's like, I think it's the first one uses this, then the normal stone, and then this. It's like the metal gets more and more advanced the higher the level of the class, you know? That was my thought process behind it. Fucking hell. Okay, so as I said, I have to like, I don't have all the time in the world. I have to do this relatively quick, so let me... What's on screen? This, and this. Okay, I'm gonna open balancing first of all. I don't know if I should show that. So I need class and skin and the English file. Okay. Bro, my mouth is already dry. Like, talking constantly is so hard. You like don't realize it. This is not something you think about before. Like when I was like, oh, maybe I should stream. Like I just have to do what I do usually, but like also talk occasionally. But no, it's strange. So yeah, no, it was good. Last mage. These are already assigned. Hold on, for night I think I did Knight, veteran, elite, master, mighty. I should do this as well for the mage. Okay. For these. So basically this is gonna be, the first class is called, I deadass don't know. Oh, veteran, it says here, okay. I don't know why I put them as level 1, level 3, level, elite. Then it's master, then mighty. Yeah. Mighty Chuck? Whoa. Okay. Now, so I said the base class, this is the base class, then veteran is gonna be this guy. And elite is gonna be headgear, mage, elite. Is it elite mage or mage elite? Elite mage. Mage elite makes no sense. What am I on about? Okay. Let me see if that worked first of all. Can we... okay. Keep yourself hydrated. It's so annoying that this like falls behind. Can I make the chat bigger? Like, this is so uncustomizable. It's fine. Is debug mode on? Yo. Oh, okay, it is in debug. I'm gonna have to turn that off. Let's see. Okay, it worked. Elite mage. Let me see how this looks. So it's this. Then this. Yeah, I think this is meant to be level 2 and the elite is meant to be level 3. Alright. So now I have to add the sprites for the new classes. But how did I do it for red? It's like I've done this like a long time ago. I don't remember exactly. Record. Is this a new atlas? Atlas 04. Okay. Look how cool this looks. God. So Yellowbird Atlas. It goes to 3. Okay, up to 3. I think I could add it to this one. Shouldn't be a problem because like it's pretty much empty. So how do I want to do this? Let me hide the screen real quick. Subzero Twitch coming soon. Maybe. I did think of that, but like I have like zero experience with Twitch. I don't watch people on Twitch. I don't do anything on Twitch. I'm not even sure if I have an account on Twitch. Okay, I found out how to do this. Yo. How do I add this in a separate layer? Please? Where is it, bro? Okay. Open. No, separate layer. Okay, worked. Boom. This is a bit harder than it should. But, oh, I have an idea, actually, to make this not harder. So I don't have to, like, hide the screen all the time. I make a new folder, call it, like, Yellowbird Mage, and put all of these sprites there. So I don't have to worry about leaking anything. Control X. Yo, what am I doing? Okay, I did everything right. Boom. Now, oh, all the images disappeared. That's fine. I know why. I moved them. See, Subzero art folder. Majestic. So, basically, the problem that I have... These are really well made. So, that means... Oh, it's Chuck, Red, and Matilda. That's so cool, bro. I did not know that. If I open to add another image, it's gonna show the Subzero art folder. I want to add like the elite class, elite mage. This, I want to add this into there so I can compare their sizes. No, I don't want to open it. Cancel. What's the path of this? Show and explore. Boom. I'm gonna copy it and then paste it here. Yeah, that works. Okay. Then I have to hide this again. Add image. Go into this folder. Bam. Okay, it worked. So, can I select all of these and delete? Oh no, I don't want to select the icon. Icon is 3. Remove. Done. Boom. So I gotta get these to be as small as this. How can I move it? I wanna move it. Is that how it goes? I don't know. This works? Yeah. I can put it on top of it actually. Like this. And like compare these things. Maybe a bit smaller. This is good. Something like this. Yeah. Boom. Perfect. Now I can hide this, and then I want to only crop this, basically, so I can save it. There's probably a more optimal way of doing it, but I think it would take more time to figure that out than to just do it this way. That's a small pixel. I'm not gonna worry about that. Then I make the background transparent. Let me make sure I don't leak anything. And save as. What do I name it? Mage. What's the base? What are the headgear? Mage, elite mage, veteran mage. Okay, so veteran. Boom. Now I can show this. Now. Is it still here? It is. Boom. Can I control Z to... Like, can it rescale the canvas? It can. Oh, that's sick. Now, I can go into this layer, scale this down, make it fit. Fit MC. The oldest anarchy server. Yo, how is this supposed to... Like... Why can I not scale it anymore? This is why we have this. So it goes from here to like here. Okay. Also, it scaled it down too much. Bro. Bit lower. That works. Tell me that works. Yeah, that's fine. Yo, what? Okay. It's fine. Is it? It is. Okay, it's fine. It looks a bit weird. Like, now that I see it here, this could look kind of weird, but it's fine, bro. I have to save this now. Turn all these off. Background, crop. Now, let's check this. HD, can you leak something? A leak is like, is it? Like, if it's a leak, that means it's not intentional. I can't just leak something. I can show it, but I'm geeking out, bro. Leave me alone, HD. I can't be unemployed all day. I have to get this done. Save as PNG, and this is gonna be headgear veteran mage underscore back. I think there is no underscore in between. Headgear elite mage. Actually, I can just check. Elite mage. Okay, there is an underscore. Good thing I checked. Back. Save. Now, what I have to do is I can delete this and delete this. Turn this back on. Hold on, no. Add image. Level 4. This. Bam. Look how good this looks. God. And this is level 4, not even 5. Scale it. This is fine. It's fine. Okay. Now I need to get the back. Wait. I don't think I have it. It's the back of this. This is the back of this. I don't have the back of this. Oops. I have to go get it. Did I not download it? I think it's this one. Oh yeah, it is this one. I'm geeking out. Refresh. Boom, I got it. Okay. We have the back. Scale this down as well. Let me see. How is this supposed to? That's not. Hopefully that didn't leak anything. Oh, I closed the folder. That's why. Let me see. Okay, that did not leak anything. Whew. Leopard mage. Okay. This is what I want. Okay, it looks a bit odd, but let me just... Okay, so it goes from one end to the other. So I have to scale it up. No, up, hyper, up. Are we slow? Why is there like this little thing? Like, if you look in the picture, there's nothing there. I'm gonna delete that. Eraser. Yo, what? What is this doing? Oh no! Bro, it's from this. Okay. I forgot to turn it off. Even more. Oh, lower. And I think I got it. Well, it has to go below. Below, like this. Did I close the picture? Oh my god. Yeah, everything lines up. Actually, it should be a bit bigger, I think. Like to the left. This is fine, and like this. No, smaller. Come on, bro, I had it. I was so close. If I put it on top, it overlaps. That's not... Even more? No, this is too much. Too little? Yo, this is rage bait. Okay. I'm keeping it like this. What's happening? I'm the Subzero leak. Check pins of Subzero Discord if you don't believe me. Yo, what? HD, the topic of the stream is adding these classes to the game. How many fingers are on a human hand? Subzero server. Bro, there's nothing. Hello, I am dead. You are dead. Okay. Bro, like, it overlaps a bit, but you know what? I don't care, bro. Because, like, when you put it on the bird, like, this is gonna be behind the class anyway. It's layered behind anyway, so it doesn't matter. Now I just have to crop everything. It looks like... It looks weird when I get too close to the edge. Like, look. Yeah, like it... Okay. This little purple thing, that's so annoying. That's what I get for using free software, though. I'm not investing anything into Subzero. Yeah. That's fine. Okay. This is gonna be headgear, no master. Not that. Headgear master mage. What did I name the other, like, knight classes? Guardian. Oh, just like by levels. I don't like that. But like changing them, is gonna take some time, I think. Hold on. Bird Atlas. Wait, no, this is a smooth moves atlas. I have to... How do I... How did you open a smooth moves atlas? Yo, I deadass forgot. Oh, wait, no. Like this. Open atlas hit. Boom. Can I rename them? No, it's the name of the... Okay, you know what? That's so annoying. Headgear Knight level 5. I'm gonna just name these that as well. So this is Headgear Mage. What level? Hold on. Okay, boom, I'm back. This is going, yeah, my bad. This is going way faster than when I first did night. That's of course because like I have experience now. I'm an experienced game developer, you know? Okay. The worst part of this is that I have to... What the heck is this? Okay. Is that I have to make some prefabs. Hold on, let me... Like, we search up night. Yeah, night level 4, level 5. Superhero knight. This is the old classes. You have to make prefabs for like every single class, and that's so annoying. Cause like if I remember correctly, there's no way to do it in the editor. It just doesn't show up for some reason. And I have to do it in game. Actually, I think I know why it doesn't show up. If I take a look at this, it's probably... Yeah, Sage mesh sprite. This generates the mesh at runtime. That's why it doesn't show up. Because it's a script. But it's fine because you can do it in play mode and like save the coordinates and then copy paste them. Go down, bro. God. Like it clips the feather just a bit, I feel like. Doesn't it? Oh, it doesn't. Okay, that's fine. So this is gonna be mage level 5. I have to undo this and crop this. Bro, the biggest like problem that I have with streaming, like I have to find... See, I only have 2 audio things. I cannot add any more. I wanted to like listen to music as well as like copyrighted music that I cannot play on YouTube. So like have one of these be for music and like mute it so you guys don't hear it, but I do hear it. But I cannot do that. That's so... I swear I pressed C, bro. That's so annoying. Like, see, what is this little purple thing right there, bro? Here I think I know what it is, but like this is the edge of the like back sprite, and then there's this purple thing here. But again, that's what I get for using free software. Level 6? Oh, level 5 back. Okay. Boom. Do I need anything else? Hold on, I'm seeing something here. There is this. This is the level 5 and 4. Where is the level 2? What? Did I delete? Oh, I scrolled down. This is level 2. Okay. I was so confused. So now, all the sprites are done. These things. I have to... Mage. Where is mage? Okay. Headgear mage. Boom. Take me to this folder. And I have to... take all these, copy them, then paste them here. Boom. Now I have to copy these settings. So like, can I select like this? I can. Okay. Repeat by linear. I think this is no. This is none. And this is turned on. Wait, no. Read/write shouldn't be on. I swear some of them do have it on though. And I copied all of the settings. Wow, that was quick. So now I have to add them to the atlas. This tick that I'm doing, you can basically search for something, click on it, and when you delete the things in the search bar, it takes you to the folder that that file was in. And from here you can just do... Wait, no, that's not how it works for these. But for NGUI atlases, you can just... Let me find one of them. Open Atlas Maker. And then all of the atlases of the folder you're in are gonna appear here. You don't have to like... there's a button. Show all atlases. You don't have to do that. Because that takes a long time to like scan all of the files and find all the atlases. But for smooth moves, you can just search. Is this? No, 3. This is what I'm looking for. Open. Boom. And now what I have to do is, what were they named? Headgear, mage. Yep. And drag and drop all of them. Can I shift select and... Yo, that's sick. I can't do that. Look at this. Level 2, level 4, and level 5. Now I can rebuild. If I rebuild, something is gonna happen, I think. No, I can rebuild in peace. I know that if you rebuild a character's animation, some weird stuff happens, and it's annoying. Marcel mod in working. What? Is Marcel making his own mod? That would be legendary. Yo, Marcel DM me. Angry Birds Epic DLC download link please. Thank you, bro. This guy is amazing. Okay. So now I should be able to yellow, no, class underscore mage. This is level 2, then elite mage, then this is level 4, and this is level 5. Okay, but the problem is I haven't made the, what are they called? The prefabs for these. So basically the items that actually spawn in the game that you see in the battle screen thing. Battle preparation. In the class manager, that's what it's called. It took me a few tries. But I think it should show on Chuck, but like not here on these buttons. Okay. So if the prefab doesn't exist, this whole thing breaks. Well then. What do I do? I'll tell you what. Take me to this. Headgear mage. Actually no, can I find Headgear mage elite? can see the name down there. Elite Wizard, Elite Mage. I'm gonna copy paste this. Where is it? Here. Rename it to Mage level 2. Okay, this is annoying. Hold on. Then this is gonna be 4. What the heck happened? Oh. Okay. And one more time for level 5. Bro, renamed both of them to the same thing. Okay. So if I look for Headgear Mage now, level 5, 4, 2, and the base class. And level 3 is the elite. So now the menu should work. They all should look like the elite version, but if I equip them, they should look funny on Chuck. They should look like the actual classes. I want to back up my save before I do that, so let me do that real quick. Prefabs. Okay. I backed up my game. Yo, what? Hold on, I think I know what happened. Yo. Headgear Mage. If I open this, wait, no, it has the right name. 4, 2. Headgear Mage. Okay. Where's the null reference? Here. Item Sprite. Instantiate object. How do I do it for night? Night level 5. Yo, it's the same thing. Literally the same thing. Is it because it doesn't find the... That might be why. Okay. It doesn't find the sprite. Because I haven't edited the atlas it uses. Yeah, so you use the atlas too. No. You see, we have to use atlas 3. Yo, what is it doing? Fuck this up. Come on, man. Where are there 2 atlases now? Yo. Man, this sucks. These smooth moves tools suck. I have to turn this on. Why is this? Oh, it has the wrong shader. What shader do they use? Atlas. Unlit transparent colored shiny. Wait, no, unlit transparent. Unlit transparent. Boom. So that fixed that. Now if I open this, okay, it doesn't use this one anymore, it uses the new one. AKA it's not stupid. These are a bit close, if you ask me. Okay. Now what I want to do this. This should use this atlas. This atlas. Okay, you know what? Might as well rename them. So, headgear mage level 2, yeah. Headgear mage level 2 back. Save it. Yo, I feel like it saved something else. So for this as well. And this is gonna be level 4, yep. And level 4 underscore back. And control S. Control S. It's not saving. Control S. Come on, bro. Any day now. Is it stuck? I swear if it didn't save. It probably saved and didn't notice. And this is level 5. If it still doesn't work, I deadass have no idea why it wouldn't work. Oh, it saved. Yeah, okay. It saves automatically once you click out of the... Like, you edit this, and when you click into the scene, it saves automatically. That's nice. So now, supposedly, it 100% works. No audio. Please. Yo. Bro, I did everything you fucking wanted me to. Okay. This is probably what's wrong. Acid base ID. Item balancing acid base ID. This is fine. Wait, did I not re-import? That might be why. I hope so. That might be why. Because the name is fine. Like, the name of the class, like this is the exact name of the prefab. So why is it not finding it? Bro. Yeah, okay. So good thing I'm in debug mode already. I can click this guy. I'm gonna see from here what acid base ID is assigned. Cause it tries instantiate object. It tries to spawn the prefab, then assign the object to this, but then this is null at this line. This returns null. This method. To lower. But the prefabs. Wait. Hold on. Oh shit. I know what I didn't do. So basically, whenever you wanted to find a new file that you add, you have to go into root, asset settings, and now I have to bundle prefabs. Character, high resolution, and equipment asset provider. Headgear, telling you, it's gonna be... Where's Knight? Did I not order these? God, this is hard to look at. Yo. Headgear Knight. Yeah, that I didn't add them here. They're 100% gonna work after this. If they do not work after this, I'm quitting the stream, bro. I have no other idea what could be going wrong. So, to do this, I just copied the base Knight and added level 2, level 4, level 5. Simple, bro. Simple. So, I have to find Headgear Mage, which should be after Elite because it's in alphabetical order here. Copy it, then add 3 new entries. I deadass copied it, bro. Are you good? Oh my god, I have to scroll all the way. Copy. You cannot tell me that I did not copy it. Thank you. Okay. So, Mage. Level 2. And I have to add to this as well, because it's the path. Level 2. Simple. Paste this as well. Level 4. Actually, I can just... Wait, no. I cannot copy, because then I cannot paste for the level 5 one. Level 4. Paste. Now I can copy. Level 5. Copy this. Go to the very end. Paste. Bam. Now Control S to save the scene. And it is going to work. The classes are gonna probably like look really weird. Like where they're placed, they're probably gonna be out of the little circle, you know? But that's a problem I'm gonna solve later. I have to make sure that they first of all work, like look good on Chuck, and then look good in that menu. So, boom! And they don't look that bad. They do not look that bad, especially this one. This is a bit weird, because like, huh, why does it look like that? Almost like they seem a bit too big, but it's fine. This goes up and that goes, it's fine, we'll figure it out. I only have to move the back of the class. Okay, so now gives me an error, this error, and the craft button does not appear like here because I did not make a recipe for it. And making the recipe is pretty boring, I'd say. I don't know if I want to make that right now or like after the stream. I could just assign the same recipes as the Knight. Like see how they look on Chuck, you know? I think I'm gonna do that, yeah. So, crafting recipe name ID. Bam, I'm gonna give them all the same recipe. Level 4 and 5. Wait, I think I just gave the base class. Yeah, I did. Give the base class a recipe. So now the game is gonna reload. And I'm gonna be able to craft them. Okay. Yo. Recipe skin knight veteran. How exactly could this go wrong? Index was out of range. Must be non-negative and less than the size of the collection. Class item info base. Has previous level. Oh, wait. They're named Skin Mage Veteran, but I didn't... They're still named level 1, 2, and 3, and 5 here. So, Veteran, Elite, Master, and Mighty. Mighty Chuck. Boom. Yo. Vete. Yo. Made a typo. Okay. Please. Please. I just want to get this on Chuck. Thank you. Craft button. Look how cool this looks. Craft. I don't have the items. Oh no. Oh, what? Index was out of range? Again? Class item info base. Class item info base. What line? Tell me the line. 300. It's the same line, bro. What do you mean? I just solved that problem. Wait, no. Wait, no, yes. What? Are we good? You see, I'm gonna do this. Inventory, game data, items. So it looks for the previous level of the class. Goes into this. Selected class level name IDs. Wait, selected. Class level name IDs. Okay, that's fine. Skin Mage. Does Skin Mage exist? It does. How does this blow up? Unmute this. Wait, no, mute it. No, don't. Oops. I'm trying to think, like, Skin Mage exists, I have it. What could be going wrong? The index could be, like, messed up, but... Yeah. Bro, what? Oh yeah, this is the one I donated here. So it opens this. Has previous level. Let's see. Class level name IDs. Skin Mage, Veteran, Elite, Master, Mighty. That's fine. Selected index. What is index? If I do this, Skin Mage, this cannot be null. It looks through all of your inventories through all of your skin items in your inventory and looks for the item that has its name, the name ID match the previous class in the list. Skin mage. Okay, why is this called twice? What are we doing? Can you just show me if it's null or not? Yo. Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh yeah, cause it's first or default. Has previous level. It's not null. Whoa. Let's read this. Is ancient false. Headgear mage. Localized description. Mage. Item value 2. Why do I have it twice? Okay. Bird class mage. It has all the skills. Primarily skill, secondary skill. Yeah, amazing. Not null. Yo. How many more times is this gonna get called? See, craft button shows. Like what? What? Oh, I know what's happening. Okay, so we were planning. You know how in the camp you can edit both weapons? No, not both, because it's weapons, offense, and headgears. We wanted to do that in battle preparation, so that pop-up is broken in there. You cannot click on the buttons. Those errors that I thought I was getting were old errors. That's so annoying. Here it's gonna work. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yo, what? Oh, you cannot buy blueprints. I have to edit my save. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I'm not showing you how to cheat. Your save is gonna be encrypted in the actual game. Do not try this at home. What? Oh yeah, I remember this. ID login email decompiled by Heroic 2 on Discord. Where are the resources? Okay. What's the name of the resource? Iron. No, it's metal. My bad. Yo, what? Fuck some. These are weapons. Okay. Finally. Gonna put it at the end. Blueprint. I'm gonna give myself 1. Wait, no, I need, I'm gonna give myself 50. I do not need 50 to max out the class. I'm not sure if it's... No, Control Shift F. Blueprint. I misspelled it. Okay, it's just blueprint. Okay. And I did something wrong because when you close the game, my save is gonna go back to normal. It did not go back to normal. Are we good, bro? Okay, that's fine. Now I'm gonna be able to craft it. I get some music. Okay, the audio is not working. Bro, I was thinking of something. We were thinking of what? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah, cause it's made a mistake. This is not a resource. It's a currency. I have to look. Lucky coins. I don't care about the offers purchased. Where are my lucky coins? This is okay, bro. Gold. Can I see my gold? Golden pick, gold. Lucky coin. Oh, it's lucky coin, not lucky coins. Blueprint. Yo, you know what? I'm gonna copy this. Why am I getting an error? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Boom. Lucky coins have this weird thing where I think like the value is meant to be not encrypted. It's like hidden, so you cannot cheat as easily. And I don't know, but this goes for silver as well. But I don't know if this applies to blueprints in this case. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna test it out. Oh, this is crazy. It's so weird to like play ABE with sound because I'm either used to playing with the game muted or I'm used to playing on my phone like before decomp when all of these sound bugs and basically when you clicked on buttons and stuff a lot of these sounds wouldn't play. So it's so weird hearing them now. Works. I did not think this through. This is the recipe for the veteran knight. What did I think was gonna happen? Okay, it did not give me this. It gave me this. Hold on. This looks... Nah, it looks fine. Look at this guy. Handsome. I have to make a new recipe. That's so annoying. What do I need? Resource cost per level and crafting item recipe something, I think. Crafting item balancing data and resource cost per level. Let's go to this one. Where is it? Is it? Where is it? Knight veteran. Oh, it's in either of these. That makes sense. Where the fuck could this be? Class skin crafting. Yo, did I not? Crafting recipe balancing data. Oh, crafting item. Oops. Okay. Crafting recipe. Let's make a new one. What is this? So recipe skin mage veteran. The headgear is going to be called mage veteran. Item type 10, yeah, bird class mage. Wait, what was that? Night. I don't think it matters. Whatever. Result loot. Skin mage veteran. What I don't understand is, like, you give it this name, and from this name it gives it to a method that somehow finds something here. So hold on, I'm gonna show you. So see, cost skin knight. Basically, you give that method recipe skin knight veteran, which is this one. But this does not have any name. What is this? Cost skin knight veteran. I mean, I guess it just removes the recipe and puts cost like in the beginning. So if I make it cost skin mage veteran, in here it's gonna find it, hopefully. But again, I'm really confused on how this works. So mage, and supposedly this is gonna work. So apply the item name ID, mage, and now one blueprint, and now I have to think of the resources it's gonna use. Good thing that I have the sprite sheet with all of them, both ingredients and crafting items. So hold on, I like to close this, open it again. What is this made out of? Can I make them both? Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, that's nice. Boom. Huh. So I can maybe, this is like silver something, like a metal. I could use this again, this stone, but with something like water, or these. It has to be a easy to get resource, because this is like the first class you craft. So not like sparkling water, because this you get really far in the game. So I'm thinking this, because it's an ore. I don't think this is like a stone. I think this is stone and this is like metal something. Wait, no, this is metal. Whatever, bro. I'm gonna use this, okay? And like grapes, this, or like paper. I could use paper, cause why? Why would I use paper? I have no idea. I'm gonna go with these. So blueprint, cobalt stone, cobalt, whatever that's spelled. And I have no idea what this is called. It's not a resource, it's an ingredient. Vial. Yeah, ingredient vial. Ten of each, that's fine. Next one. Let's make all of these first. So veteran. Hold on, I can do this. Look at this. You click here. I press Alt, like hold down Alt. Click here and here. And now I have all three of those places selected. I can type elite, and then here I have to capitalize it. Insane tech. You don't learn this anywhere else. Only on the Subzero developer Devlog thing. Yeah. Then it's mighty. No, it's master. What am I doing? Master. and mighty. Have I done elite? I have. Mighty. Now, why did I capitalize it? Only this one. Bam. I'm gonna just copy paste this as well so I don't have to change the name every single time. Now I have to think of a new recipe. So I can keep this, but for this class. Wait, no. For the elite, because the elite needs to have a recipe as well. So I'm thinking, what did I go for on the knight? Knight had this, then limestone, which is could be this. I'm not sure. Limestone. There's this stone. This stone. I think this is limestone. Yeah. Oh no, this is limestone. Okay. And wood. Then I went for ore, which is this, and slingshot twig. Then I went for metal bar and square wood, which is this. I really like the knight recipes, but it's a bit harder for mage. So what do we notice? It's a lot of blue and now a bit of gold. I would use this, but this is not, it doesn't exist in the game anymore. So I would make it maybe grapes, because blue, you know? And the big bottle. Yeah. This makes no fucking sense. But, what is the big bottle called? So, there's the vial. Magic water. Water. Magic water. Crystal. Hold on. This is, I'm pretty sure, a consumables. A NGY atlas. Meaning... click on this. Oh, that's annoying. I have to find it. Wait, C. Consumables. Bam. View sprites. Greater vial. Yo. Greater vial. Oh, that's exactly what it's called. Okay. I don't know why I was doubting that. I thought it would be called something else. I'm gonna put 15 of these and ingredient grapes. What is it then? Banana, crisp water, hot tomato, sea berry. I think it's sea berry. Okay. Saibao. And 2 blueprints. Then this is gonna be 4. This is gonna be 8. 8. So that's the recipe for the elite mage. Now for level 4, the master mage. So this is pretty late in the game. I want this to not be like, I want this to be late game but not quite end game like the level 5. So in late game you should have plenty of resources. So I would go for something like the frozen pepper, whatever this is, and this magic water. Because these are way harder to obtain, I feel like. Okay, so master. I want this. It's gonna be ingredient snow apple. No. Crystal water. That's one. You know, I can only do this. And then ice chili. Boom. Another one down. Now for the last one, wrong image. Boom. I think the snow apples are harder to get than the snow chilies. So snow apples and what else is like late game? Hard to obtain. For night, I went for this and this, which are both harder than the snow apple to get because they're like after the snow section. So I might just go for this because it has like a lot of metal thing, you know, even though it's not golden. I'm still gonna go for this because it's not that much. There's not that much diversity for me to pick from. I could go for this because it's like a bit more yellow, you know? That's just because like the sun is shining on it. I could also go for potions. That wouldn't be a good idea though, nah. So this is gonna be pretty easy to craft. I'm gonna go for this and this, yeah. So 25, this is gonna be ingredient, what's it called? Snow apple. No, this is a resource. Why do I not have all of the... I can steal it from night. Limestone ore. It's ore. This is also pretty easy to get. Yo. Okay. Boom. Now, everything should be done. I should be able to craft the classes. They will look a bit funky because I haven't messed with the placements, but I just want to see that the code works and then take care of how it looks in game. Internal error, what was that? Oh, it's Discord. Yeah, so Subzero, if you play Subzero and you have Discord open, it's gonna show on Discord that you're playing Subzero. This is really cool thing that Heroic came up with and also added all by himself, because like Discord has like a DLL, you can download like an API and you can tell your client, it tells your client that you're playing the game, and when you are in a battle, for example, it says the name of the battle, the wave you're on. If you're in the arena, it also says that you're fighting in the arena, and at the end it says if you lost or won. It's really cool. It says if you're on the world map. Okay, so give me a lot of coins. More coins. All of the coins, yes. Oh. Yo. Why is it the same? Did I not replace the... Oh, I didn't replace these. God damn it. Now I have the level 2 knight twice. Reload. Man. Heroic also made this where the game reloads automatically when I edit the balancing. Really cool stuff. Come on. It's gonna work this time. Yeah! Look at that. Okay. It's as I said, a bit funky. Oh, that's a problem. This is not the correct... Oh, I know why. Come on, bro. As this is mage veteran, mage elite, master, mighty. There, bro. Oh, okay, it did not close that. I have to edit the code to make it close that pop-up. Okay, bro. What happened to bird? To bird. What happened to bird? So, why does it think this has a passive? Is it tweaking? You good, bro? This thinks it thinks this has a passive as well. Not here. Are you good? Hold on. I want to fix this. Info overlays. Wait, does this control which one of these shows up? I think it does. Should be like... Let's see if show character overlay. If it's bird combatant, the skin is a null. The sort priority. Wait, no, it's not here. Hold on. Where is it? Oh no, it's character overlay. Wait, what? Info overlay. Character overlay. Why does it turn this one on? Show character overlay. I swear this worked before. It didn't like do this. Alt bar. Character overlay. I'm confused. What is going on here? This does nothing special. Because like, else if it's a bird combatant, it goes into... Wait, no. Oh, I'm tweaking the fuck out. This is outside the if. It's an if, else if, big combatant. Why? Oh yeah, this should be a switch, but why is this redundant? Whatever. If it's a bird combatant, blah 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 blah. Show character overlay. Oh, this is character overlay and character with skin overlay. Oh, I get it. Oh, okay. So which should... yeah, I see. So the base class has a sort priority of 0. The second class has 1. The third class has 2. The fourth class and fifth class, which have passives, have 3 and 4. So if this is above 2, it should show this. Boom. Welcome to debugging with HyperHedgehog. Hope you enjoyed. What is this? TS looks pretty good, thank you. Spaghetti, what I miss? Mighty Chuck, hello Mighty Chuck, hello bro, you're my favorite Angry Birds person. So basically the puzzle pieces are items that you're gonna get pretty hard in the game, but they're exclusively used for upgrading your classes. As you saw, each class is gonna have 5 levels. Level 1 is the base class, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which 4 and 5 look usually the coolest out of all of them. I also plan on making, like for the level 5 skin, I plan on making custom, like you know when the bird attacks, there's some effects on the screen. I want to make like custom effects for the very last level. But yeah, that's basically what the puzzle pieces blueprints are called in the game. That's what the puzzle pieces are used for. Exclusively. What the fuck? Okay. That's at least did it fix this? It did. Boom. Actually, it did. Boom. GG. Now, what the actual fuck is going on here? How craft? Like there's no errors, there's no nothing. It's just stuck. Okay. Let's trace this back. So, what the fuck? Class item. Class mage. Class level name IDs. Skin mage elite. We go into this. Recipe skin mage elite. It's present. Skin mage elite. Recipe category type. Is there anything different? No. Why is there a placeholder? Oh, okay. Yo, what? Why is this not working? Because the recipe, but then if you replace recipe with cost and go into this, it's here. Oh, hold on. Oh, I think it's based on what the applied item name ID. Oh shit. So it looks for the result loot, skin mage elite, and then looks for it in here. That's what this is for. Yo, I might have figured it out finally. How it goes from this thing to this thing without you actually giving it a name like cost, skin, mage, mighty Chuck. Boom. Okay. Refresh the game. And this time it's gonna work. Yo, low key, I should go. It's 3 p.m. I have something to do. Boom, it works. Yo, what the fuck? Why can I not buy them? Can I at least buy them, bro? Please? Hyperkit the chat overlay. No. We're not gonna get the chat overlay. Like, imagine I'm trying to work and I have a big ass fucking thing. No, like covering half, not half. That's exaggerating. Like a third or like quarter of my screen. That's annoying. But why can I not fucking craft this? You know what? I'm gonna Max Working. What a beautiful name. So Skin Mage. The only, what, do they not appear anywhere else? Damn mage, that's not. What are the mage classes called? Head gear. Am I tweaking the fuck out? Yo. Archmage, I don't think that's used. There's, what kind of mage? There's the elite mage. And there's the orange one. What's the orange one called? The orange mage. Oh, and then there's the futuristic one. No? Wait, no, that's the all-star... Fuck. I don't know. Elite mage. Elite rainbird. Holiday wizard. Sci-fi mage. Yes, this one. Nah, it's the futuristic mage. Okay. And that's it? Okay. So, sci-fi mage. Sci-fi mage. Okay, it doesn't exist. That's fine. Basically, I want to use the max save and that's okay. It's the game's turned off. If it finds a skin that doesn't exist, balancing, the game is gonna freak out and not boot up. Elite rogues, it doesn't find that. That's fine. Oh, and this is the account I made that video on. Oh no, that's not fine. Okay. Elite Rogue Sci-Fi. Elite Rainbird. Yo. I have to fix this save again. So, what is it not fine? Elite Rainbird. Delete this. Why is it what? One's here and one's here. Okay. Hold on, let me close the game. Don't tell me they appear back. Elite Rainbird Halloween. No. You don't exist. What else? Elite Rainbird Halloween, Elite Rogues Sci-Fi. Elite Rogues Sci-Fi. Okay. Elite Rogue Sport and Elite Rogues. Can I just like, look for this? Bam. Sport. No. And they're also equipped. That's annoying. Rogues. Boom. should have fixed it. Let me look for elite mage. Okay. Save this and test it. That's the problem with like removing a bunch of classes, because the old class upgrades are not gonna be in the game anymore. Like in future, after updates, the updates after 4.1 are gonna have new classes, which are gonna be those old class upgrades. And they will probably, bro, come on. Fuck you mean? I just fucking, oh, I edited this one. Come on, man. Okay. Basically, no more class upgrades. They're all gonna be fucking classes with puzzle pieces. We're forcing you to play with puzzle pieces in your classes. I don't even know why I chose puzzle pieces. I wanted to use the blueprint from Angry Birds Go instead of the puzzle piece. That would have looked way better, but it didn't really fit the ABE style. So I just used the puzzle piece. I'm probably gonna change it either at the end of 4.0, like right before releasing it, or in 5.0. But yeah, for now, look how good this looks. God, look at this guy. Also, this looks a bit weird because there's no, why did I make it like this? Oh yeah, because of injury. Yeah, I remember. Alright, so. Yo. My god. What the fuck is not working now, bro? What do you not like? Inventory item slot. Asset base ID. Get balancing data. Set class item. Equipped skins. Asset base ID. What is the asset base ID? HyperHedgehog. Oh, I might know. Elite Rainbird. Boom, yeah, that was it. Okay. No big deal. Great game to play on Roblox, by the way. That's what it's named. No big deal. You should look it up. Yo, I should really be going. Fuck. Like, I should end stream. I have something to do in 51 minutes now. Yo, if it doesn't work this time, I'm not finishing this. Please work, bro. I want to see how the level 5 class looks on Chuck. Come on, you got this. Whatever, calendar. Okay. Loaded. Okay. Please tell me I have blueprints. I do. Yes, it looks good. Veteran. Bam, equipped. Amazing. Don't have these. I bought them. Boom. If you look at it, that's so annoying. If you look at it, there's a small little gap. How does it look? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm HyperHedgehog, and this was the third part of the Subzero Devlog series where I smash my head against the wall until my code works and Subzero looks cool. Have a good rest of your day, and please play Subzero when it comes out.